Have you ever been in a situation where you feel like you're not being respected enough by girls? Maybe you've been in a position where you felt undervalued and disrespected, or perhaps you've been where you felt like you were being taken advantage of by women. It's not uncommon for men to feel this way, and it's natural to want to assert yourself and command respect from the female gender. That's why we're here to help. If you're tired of feeling undervalued or disrespected, and you're ready to take control of your interactions with women, then keep watching. In this video, we're going to talk about how you can make women respect you and how you can assert yourself and demand the respect you deserve as a man. We'll discuss practical steps you can take to project self-respect and carry yourself with confidence so that you can command respect from women. As the man of high value that you are, we're here to help you become the best version of yourself. So let's get started and learn how to make women respect you. Welcome to Knowledge Forum for Doers, the place where more than high-value men come to get inspired. One way to project self-respect from women is to challenge them. When you challenge a woman in a confident manner, you demonstrate that you have a backbone and you are not willing to be pushed around or agree with everything she says just to please her. This kind of behavior is very attractive to women because it shows that you have a strong sense of self and you are not afraid to express it. If you always give in to their opinions and never challenge them, they may begin to see you as weak and uninteresting. On the other hand, if you can respectfully challenge their ideas and opinions, it can create healthy and stimulating conversations that can actually strengthen the way they see you. When you take charge in a situation, especially when they're on the wrong side of the table, it shows that you have confidence in yourself and your opinions. It shows that you are capable of making decisions and taking actions when necessary. It also shows that you are not afraid to speak your mind and stand up for what you believe in. And that type of action is attractive to women. Remember, it's not about dominating them or trying to prove that you are always right. It's about being confident in your own abilities and opinions and being willing to stand for yourself when necessary. This will earn you the respect of women and help you build more meaningful and fulfilling relationships. Another important aspect of projecting self-respect and commanding respect from women is to respect yourself. If you don't respect yourself, women will know it, no matter what you say or try to hide it. You must carry that aura of someone who needs to be respected. The fact is that if you don't respect yourself, you have no business expecting respect from women either. When you respect yourself, you also set standards for how women should treat you. You communicate that you will not tolerate being treated poorly or disrespected. This means being firm in your boundaries and not compromising them for anyone. By respecting yourself, you also set an example for no woman to trample on you. When you project an aura of self-respect and self-confidence, women will be more likely to treat you with respect as well. So take the time to work on respecting and loving yourself. It will not only benefit your relationships with women, but also your overall well-being. It is crucial, however, to understand that having self-respect does not equate to being self-centered or conceited. It is not selfish to demand respect for yourself as a man in a world that often prioritizes women's needs and desires. As a high-value man, you deserve to be respected and treated with kindness and compassion, and it is important to assert that fact without feeling guilty. If you're finding these tips valuable, don't forget to hit the subscribe button to stay up to date with our latest content. Let's dive back into our discussion on how to project self-respect and command respect from women. Now let's talk about teaching women how to treat you. A man who knows his worth and refuses to settle for anything less is someone who commands respect not only from women but from everyone around him. If a woman says or does something hurtful or disrespectful, don't let it slide. Let her know right away that you won't tolerate that kind of behavior. If a woman shows up late or breaks a promise, don't hesitate to leave. Yes, it may seem harsh, but it's what any woman would do in the same situation. By leaving, you're demonstrating that you value your time and won't tolerate disrespect. When she asks you why you left, simply say, "I waited 10 minutes and didn't see or hear from you, so I left." There's no need to apologize or go into a long discussion about what went wrong. By setting the standards for how you want to be treated, you show women that you have boundaries. When women realize that you won't put up with certain things, they will adjust their behaviors accordingly. If they truly value your company, they will make the effort to correct the behavior. Remember, action speaks louder than words. When it comes to earning respect, don't waste your time trying to explain your standards to women. Let your actions speak for themselves and allow reality to teach them about your personal brand of self-respect. Finally, let's discuss a scenario where your girlfriend disrespects you. Our advice is to not be afraid to take a step back. Believe it or not, sometimes walking away can be the best solution when your girlfriend doesn't respect you. We understand that you may love her and don't want to break up, which is why you're seeking solution. But we're not here to tell you to end the relationship just because she disrespects you. However, you should not be afraid to walk away. Here's how it works. If your girlfriend doesn't respect you and you are committed to making the relationship work, then you need to be willing to walk away if she doesn't change her behavior. It's crucial to communicate that you are committed to the relationship, but it's equally important to let her know that you won't tolerate disrespectful behavior. By doing so, you're setting a standard for how you should be treated and encouraging her to show you respect. Dear valued man, don't forget, commanding respect from women is about projecting self-respect and setting standards. By challenging women respectfully, you show that you have confidence in yourself and your opinions. Respect yourself and set standards for how women should treat you. Communicate your boundaries and do not compromise them. Teach women how to treat you by setting standards for behavior and enforcing them. Remember, actions speak louder than words, and it's crucial to take a step back if your girlfriend disrespects you. Always remember that as a high-value man, you deserve respect, and by projecting self-respect, you will command respect from women. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, we would greatly appreciate it if you could hit the thumbs up button and consider subscribing to our channel. We provide inspiring content on how to become a modern high-value man and much more. We recommend that you watch our video titled 10 Things Women Instantly Notice About High-Value Men to know how to carry yourself and stand out as a high-value man. Thank you for watching.